Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add hyperlink to picture in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first open your Excel document file. Firstly then I show the Excel document from the picture hyperlink to the picture. Now firstly going to the insert menu option. Now click for the picture option. Then I choose picture file. Now click for the insert option. Then move the picture in the anywhere. Now going to the any browser option. Now search from the any website. Example is the apple.com. Now copy from the mouse right button option. Now click on the copy option. Now going to the Microsoft Excel. Now again going to the insert menu option. Now click for the hyperlink option. Now address from the paste. Now mouse right button option. Now click with the paste option. Now click for OK. That's it. Now click for the picture. Now click. That's it. Then I show the hyperlink to picture in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.